In this video, I will be showing you problem number 2 of the worksheet on chapter 3 for the intermediate algebra class. Objective: solve a system of linear equations using elimination with multiplication and addition. Solve the following system of linear equations. Negative 8x minus 5y equal to 23, 9x minus 8y equal to 15. The problem tells us to use the elimination method, which means you have to either eliminate x or eliminate y at a time. So we are going to make the coefficients of x or coefficients of y in these two equations equal and opposite. So for that, we look at the coefficient of x here, which is negative 8 and 9. So the LCD for 8 and 9 is 72. So we are going to make them both to have 72 and negative 72 as coefficients. So the way to do that is to multiply the first equation by 9, the second equation by 8. So you get negative, if you distribute the 9, you get negative 72x, distribute the 9, which will be negative 45y, then distribute the 9 for the right hand side also, 23 times 9, which is 207. Then you multiply the second equation by 8. So 8 times 9x, that will be 72x. 8 times minus 8y, that is a negative 64y, equal to 8 times 15, that will be 120. This is still equation 1 and 2 because we are only multiplying by the same constant on either side. So they are still equation 1 and 2. Now the problem also tells us a technique to use and solve the equation. So it says with the multiplication and addition. What we did just now was multiplication. Now we are going to add the two equations. So if you add them, you get these two equations, negative 72x gets cancelled with positive 72x, and this one will give us 109, negative 109y equal to, if you add these two, that gives us 327. In order to isolate the y, you divide both sides by negative 109. So we get y equal to negative 3. So 109 goes into 327 3 times, which you can verify in your calculator. So y equals negative 3. So then now we will substitute y equal to negative 3 into either equation 1 or equation 2. So I'm going to pick equation 2. It doesn't matter which equation you substitute the value of y. So it's 9x minus 8, y gets replaced by negative 3 equal to 15. Y is replaced by negative 3. So we get 9x plus 24 equal to 15. Or move the 24 to the other side in order to isolate the x. 15 minus 24, that will be a negative 9. So 9x equal to negative 9. So if you divide both sides by 9, you get x equal to negative 1. So solution to this problem in the elimination method is x equal to negative 1, y equal to negative 3. So in these problems, you have to pay attention to which method they are asking you to solve. If it is elimination, and you have to at a time eliminate either x or y. If you notice in this step, actually, we eliminated x by adding equal and opposite coefficients. You can also choose to eliminate y in the problem. So it doesn't mean it should always be x. You can choose to eliminate any one of the two variables. Hope this video helps.